The transportation industry is constantly looking for ways to improve safety, efficiency, and the overall transportation experience. One technology that is being increasingly used in this field is ChatGPT, a cutting-edge language model developed by OpenAI. In this video, we will explore the ways in which ChatGPT is being used in transportation and how it has the potential to revolutionize the industry. One of the most promising applications of ChatGPT in transportation is in the field of self-driving cars. ChatGPT can be used for natural language processing to understand and respond to voice commands from the passengers in the car. This can make the self-driving car experience more seamless and intuitive for the passengers. Additionally, ChatGPT can be used to understand and respond to the natural language used by other road users, such as pedestrians and other drivers, making the cars more aware of their environment. Another application of ChatGPT in transportation is in the generation of dynamic traffic reports. ChatGPT can be used to analyze real-time traffic data and generate human-like traffic reports that are easy to understand and act upon. This can help to reduce congestion on the roads and improve overall traffic flow. Additionally, ChatGPT can be used to monitor social media for traffic-related information and incorporate it into traffic reports, providing a more comprehensive view of traffic conditions. ChatGPT can also be used to optimize logistics in transportation. ChatGPT can be used to analyze large amounts of data and identify patterns that can be used to improve logistics operations, such as route optimization and vehicle scheduling. This can lead to significant cost savings and improve the overall efficiency of logistics operations. ChatGPT can also be used to improve the efficiency of public transportation systems. ChatGPT can be used to analyze large amounts of data, such as passenger counts and traffic data, to optimize the scheduling and routing of public transportation vehicles. Additionally, ChatGPT can be used to generate more natural and understandable announcements and information for passengers, making the public transportation experience more user-friendly. ChatGPT can be used to improve the safety of transportation systems. ChatGPT can be used to analyze large amounts of data, such as sensor data from vehicles, to identify patterns that may indicate potential safety hazards. Additionally, ChatGPT can be used to generate more natural and understandable warnings and alerts for drivers, passengers, and other road users, making the transportation experience safer for everyone. ChatGPT can also be used to improve the maintenance of transportation systems. ChatGPT can be used to analyze large amounts of data, such as sensor data from vehicles, to identify patterns that may indicate potential maintenance issues. Additionally, ChatGPT can be used to generate more natural and understandable maintenance instructions for mechanics and other maintenance personnel, making the maintenance process more efficient and effective. ChatGPT can also be used to improve the customer service in transportation systems. ChatGPT can be used to generate more natural and understandable responses for customer service representatives, making it easier for them to assist customers with their inquiries and concerns. Additionally, ChatGPT can be used to analyze customer feedback and complaints, providing insights on how to improve the overall customer service experience in transportation systems. ChatGPT can be used to improve the overall management and planning of transportation systems. ChatGPT can be used to analyze large amounts of data from various sources, such as traffic data, weather data, and social media data, to generate more accurate and comprehensive transportation plans. Additionally, ChatGPT can be used to generate natural language reports and summaries of transportation data, making it easier for managers and planners to make data-driven decisions. ChatGPT can be used to improve the security of transportation systems. ChatGPT can be used to analyze large amounts of data, such as surveillance footage and sensor data, to identify patterns that may indicate potential security threats. Additionally, ChatGPT can be used to generate more natural and understandable security alerts and instructions for security personnel, making the transportation experience safer for everyone. In conclusion, ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the transportation industry by providing new ways of creating more intuitive and responsive self-driving cars, generating dynamic and understandable traffic reports, and optimizing logistics operations. However, it is important to note that ChatGPT is still a relatively new technology and further research is needed to fully understand its potential applications in transportation. Future research should focus on developing and testing ChatGPT-based transportation systems, as well as investigating how ChatGPT can be integrated into existing transportation systems. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.